Hello and welcome to Molto Buono, a channel where you can find simple, delicious and affordable recipes mainly from the Mediterranean cuisine. Today I'm going to show you an Italian frittata, which is a recipe that you will need only 2 ingredients and 10 minutes to cook. My name is Krista, and while the intro goes, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Here are the ingredients for 2 people. We have 6 medium-sized eggs, 1 onion, salt and pepper, and extra virgin olive oil. So let's start preparing it. First, let's start with cutting the onion. And we save it for later. On medium heat, in a non-stick pan, let's add some extra virgin olive oil. And we add the onion as well. We cook it for about 5 minutes until it gets soft. Maybe we can add a little bit more of extra virgin olive oil. Let's beat the eggs. Before we start doing it, let's add a little bit of salt and pepper. And we save it for later. So before we add the eggs, make sure that your onions are soft, maybe a little bit brownish as well, because raw onions have much stronger taste and we want them to be sweet. Let's add the eggs. And now at the beginning we start mixing. Mix a little bit. That seems perfect for me. Now we lower the temperature on minimum and we cover them with a lid. We wait about 3 minutes before we flip it. Let's check it out. For me this seems perfect. Next thing that we need to do is flip it. So I take my plate, just flip it like this, and add the eggs. We leave it cooking like this for another 2 minutes and it's done. So about 2 minutes have passed. Let's see if... yeah, it's done. You know it's done when the bottom is not liquid. So take the plate. That's it. So before we are done, I just want to say that in case you don't like that much the taste of onion, which I really do, you can use the red onion, which is more sweet, or you can use half an onion. But for me, this is This is the best way. Taste depends on you, so I cannot tell you what's the best one. If you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. In case you have some questions, feel free to use the comment section below. I will respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you and buon appetito!